I forget everything when someone talks to me in English. Hello, and welcome to another helpful episode on English with Altaf. I'm Altaf.
And I'm Sarah. Today we're going to talk about a common problem many English learners face.
Yes, that moment when someone speaks English to you, and suddenly your mind goes blank. You forget everything.
Don't worry. If this happens to you, you're not alone. In this video, we'll share simple reasons why this happens and give you some easy tips to fix it.
Let's get started.
Altaf, has this ever happened to you when you were learning English?
Oh, yes, many times. I remember when I first started learning English, someone would ask me a simple question like, "How are you?" And my heart would start racing. I knew the answer, but I just froze.
Exactly. This is a natural reaction. Many learners understand English in their minds, but when it's time to speak, they panic. It's usually because of fear.
Fear of making mistakes, right?
Yes, fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, or fear of not knowing the right word. But the good news is this problem can be solved with practice and some mindset changes.
Let's break this down. The first reason people forget English during a conversation is lack of confidence.
Confidence doesn't come overnight. You have to build it slowly. Speak English with yourself first. Try to say simple things out loud like, "I am going to the market," or "I like tea." This helps your brain get used to forming English sentences.
And speak in front of a mirror. It may feel funny at first, but it works. You'll see your expressions and become comfortable with your own voice in English.
Another reason is thinking too much before speaking. Many people try to translate every word from their native language to English in their heads before they speak.
Yes, and that takes time. During that thinking time, you might forget what you wanted to say.
So what's the solution?
Think in English. Start with small things. For example, if you see an apple, don't say Seb in your mind. Just say apple.
Exactly. Label things around your house in English. When you look at the chair, say chair. When you open the fridge, say milk, eggs, juice. Another big reason is lack of speaking practice. Many learners read and write well, but they don't practice speaking.
Speaking is a skill. Just like swimming or driving, you can't learn it just by reading a book. You have to speak.
That's right. So speak to friends, join a conversation group, or talk to yourself. Even 10 minutes a day can help.
And here's an easy tip. Use English conversation starters. These are simple sentences you can memorize and use in any situation.
Like, what do you do? Where are you from? Do you like music? These small lines can start a big conversation.
And when you know how to start, you feel more relaxed. That makes it easier to continue.
Let's also talk about panic. When someone speaks English to you, you suddenly panic. Your brain shuts down.
Yes, and your mind goes blank. But this is just a body reaction. When you stay calm, your brain works better.
So how can we stay calm?
Breathe. Just take a slow breath before you answer. Don't rush. It's okay to take 2 or 3 seconds before you speak.
And don't worry if your grammar isn't perfect. People will still understand you.
That's important. Communication is more important than perfection.
Yes, the goal is to express, not impress.
There's also the fear of being laughed at. Many learners are scared that someone will laugh if they make a mistake.
That's true. But the truth is, most people are kind. They respect your effort to speak in another language.
I always say, making mistakes is part of learning. Every good English speaker today was once a beginner.
Yes, even native speakers make mistakes, so don't be afraid.
Let's give our viewers a simple plan to follow if they forget English while speaking.
Step 1, pause and breathe. Give yourself a second.
Step 2, use easy words. Don't try to speak difficult sentences. Keep it simple.
Step 3, use body language. Your hands, expressions, and smile can help you communicate better.
Step 4, learn and use conversation starters. Practice them every day.
And step 5, practice daily. Speak English for at least 10 minutes every day, no matter what.
Also, record your voice. When you listen to yourself, you'll notice your mistakes and your progress.
Yes, and watching English videos or listening to podcasts helps too. It trains your ears.
You'll become more familiar with how sentences sound. Then when someone speaks to you, your brain will not freeze.
Another tip is to imagine conversations in your mind. For example, imagine you're ordering food at a restaurant. What would you say?
That's a great idea. Mental practice is powerful.
So today, we talked about why many people forget English when someone speaks to them. We discussed fear, overthinking, lack of practice, and panic.
And we gave you simple solutions. Think in English. Speak daily, use easy phrases, and stay calm.
Remember, this is a journey. Step by step, you'll get better.
We hope this video helped you feel more confident and motivated to keep going.
Thanks for watching English with Altaf. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, have you ever forgotten everything when someone talked to you in English? What did you do?
We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep smiling.
Goodbye and take care.